4 ways to solve the problem of Google Chrome not opening on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Let's get started. Method 1. Closing background processes. Press Ctrl-Shift-Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. In the Processes tab, scroll down and look for Google Chrome tasks. If you find them, right-click and choose End Task. Make sure to close them all to completely free up memory and thus fix the browser crashing loop. Method 2. Renaming the executable file. Go to your desktop, right-click on the Google Chrome icon and select Properties. In the Shortcut tab, click the Open File Location button. This will take you to the System folder where the main file is located. Locate the application file called Chrome, right-click on it, select Rename, and change the name to Chrome 1 or Chrome_old. Press Enter and click Continue if Windows asks for administrator permission. Method 3. Creating a new shortcut. Since we renamed the main file to fix the Chrome not opening problem, your old desktop shortcut will no longer work. To fix this, right-click on the new file you just renamed, hover over Send To, and click Desktop, Create Shortcut. Now you can close this folder. Go to your desktop, delete the old problematic Chrome icon, and use this new one. Double-click it and you'll see Google Chrome open instantly, completely resolving the unresponsive error. Method 4. Clean reinstallation. If you've tried everything and Google Chrome is still not working or won't open on your PC, it means your current installation files are corrupted. To do a clean reinstallation and fix this error once and for all, click the Windows Start menu, open Settings, and go to Apps. Find Google Chrome in the list of installed applications, click the 3 dots, and select Uninstall. Once the process is complete, open Microsoft Edge or any other browser, go to the official Google website, download the latest version, and reinstall it from scratch. If this quick tutorial helped you fix the problem with your browser, leave a like below and comment on which method worked best for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.